Good morning and happy St George's Day. I'm Jane Hardy, the owner of Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men Business Networking Organisation. And I know that starting a business is not easy, and it really has its challenges. I know that today Kate Middleton has gone into hospital to go and have her third child. Many congratulations. But starting a business is a bit like having your first child. You need people around you to support you. It's tough sometimes when you've been up all night, either with the baby crying or all these whirrings going on in your head saying, I've got to do this, I've got to do that for my business. And like having a baby, we need people around us that understand the issues around starting a business, having a baby, the problems they faced. My word, Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men's been going for 5 years now, and I think I've just about hit every problem going, through loneliness, through heartbreak, through just not knowing what I'm doing sometimes. But what I've done, and what I'm sure you'll be doing, is getting a support network around you. Those people that understand your struggles. And you haven't got a manager sitting behind you saying what you should be doing next or motivating you. And when you're really dead tired, it's really hard to keep going. And some months are going to be better than others. But if you have the passion and support around you, and you know inside that you're doing something right to help others, promote your business, make others have an easier lifestyle, or to sell that widget or service or whatever you're doing, do it with passion, doing it with care and love, and things will work out great for you. But you've got to keep going. You've got to fall down sometimes. You've got to learn from those mistakes. But get yourself back up. Dust yourself down. Go and speak to your new friends and colleagues. Go and speak to those that have been there, done it. So I'd love you to comment on this Facebook post to say, how have you overcome your obstacles when starting out in your business? And I'd also absolutely love to hear about your successes. So that's all for now. Have a great week. Happy St George's Day again, and I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye for now.